Hi everyone, today I'm going to be talking about the Porecting Solution Bubbling Charcoal Sheet Mask from Dr. Jart. I got it from Sephora. They have a bunch of different masks on there. I'm sure you can get them in the Sephora stores. If you look online, you can type in your zip code and you can see it if they have that at your Sephora. I got mine offline. But anyways, it's a bubbling charcoal sheet mask. It's just a single-use black mask. It is supposed to help solve multiple concerns for pores. There's a black charcoal mask, pore purifying complex, and then the help with enlarged pore care complex. It is just here, this little package. Does have expiration date on it, so be sure to look at that. It says directions: cleanse and apply toner, peel off and discard the film liner and apply mask, adjusting around the eye and mouth area. It'll start to bubble clean pores. You leave it on for 10 to 20 minutes. Remove mask and gently pat remaining serum into the face until it's fully absorbed. So I'm going to have this on for 10 to 20 minutes. There's a tip on here that says when you massage your face evenly with the sheet mask on, more bubbles will be created for maximum pore care effect. I've been wanting to try one of these, so that's why we're going to try it today. Alright, so first thing I'm going to do is put my hair up so I don't get my hair in the mask and it's just all out of the way. I took my jewelry off also. Now, first thing it says on to start the mask, before you do it, to cleanse and apply toner. I've already washed my face. I don't have any makeup on. I've already done toner and whatnot just here a little bit ago. So I'm just going to get right in and open this up and get started with it here. I did put a towel down on my lap so not to get any product all over my clothes here. This is what it looks like. And just open it up. And just going to apply it right onto my face here. Right in. Has the holes open for your eyes, a little place for your nose, and it's already open for your mouth. So I'm just going to pat it on. And in there. And just let it start working. And now you're going to want to leave it on for 10 to 20 minutes. And we'll be right back. It's been 5 minutes now since I've had the mask on. Look how much it's foamed up. Alright guys, so I've had the mask on now for 20 minutes. So I'm going to take it off and just pat the serum in. Alright, here we go. Just pat it into my skin so it just all absorbs. Alright guys, so I'm back now from patting in the serum from the Porecting Solution, the Dr. Jart Bubbling Charcoal Face Mask. I did like it. I did like how it really bubbled when you first put it on. Did get really puffy, bubbly. When you did massage the mask, it did re-foam again on the skin. It was real nice and cooling. When I took it off, did notice my face was just feels more refreshed, real nice and cool on the skin. And then I did notice, because this is where I do have pores that are kind of bigger around my nose, my chin area. I did notice them being a little bit smaller. So I mean, if you're looking for something that would help with that, if you have that, I would recommend the mask for that. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. There'll be more to come in the future. See you next time. Bye.